BLÖSK Application Performance Monitor helps to ensure that the hardware and services on your network are running and available by gathering real-time health and status information. APM works with a list of automated devices, but you can also add hosts manually. To manually add a host, go to Administration, then click on the Monitoring link on the left, then Hosts. This view shows the list of hosts that are currently being monitored by APM. Click the Add button to add a new host. You will need to provide a host name or IP address in the host name field. The IP address and description fields are also required. Next, click the Check Settings tab to define the type of checks that will be performed by APM. Enter a value for max check attempts. This is used to define the number of times that Application Performance Monitor will retry the host check command if the host returns any state other than OK. Now select a value for check period. This is used to specify the time period during which active checks can be made for this host. Set flap detection enable to on so that hosts with frequent state changes will be reported. It is also a good idea to enable processing of performance data. Once completed, click on the Alarm Settings tab to define the contacts or contact groups who will receive alerts when the host state changes. You can choose to add either a contact group or a contact. To add a contact group, for example, click the Edit icon and choose from the available list of contact groups. Now click Save. Note that for each host definition you create, you must select either a contact group or contact, but not both. If you choose to use contact groups, click the standard radio button on the contact group side and set the contacts radio button to null. Do the opposite if you prefer to use contacts. Once this is done, we can choose the notification period during which event notifications will be sent out to contacts. We must also specify the notification interval for re-notifying a contact in the event that the host is still down or unreachable for an extended period. Don't forget to set the Notifications Enable button to on. Now click Save to save all of the changes to the database. Then click the Write All Config Files button to write the configuration to disk. Now we will validate our new host definition and activate the changes in the system by going to Tools, Control, then clicking the Do It buttons for Write Monitoring Data and Write Additional Data. Before applying the changes, be sure to check your modifications by clicking on the Do It button for Check Configuration Files. Now restart Application Performance Monitor to complete all the changes. For more information about BLÖSK, visit our website www.blesk.ca.